A box contains red and yellow balls. There are 5 red and Y yellow balls. One ball is picked from the box and then it's replaced. Then a second ball is picked from the box. The probability of removing 2 red balls is 1/9. How many balls in total are there in the box? We have 5 red balls and Y yellow balls, so in total we have 5 plus Y balls. On the first pick, we have 5 red balls and a total of 5 plus Y balls. So that makes the probability of picking a red ball 5 over 5 plus Y. Instead, if we pick a yellow ball first, the probability is Y over 5 plus Y. Now, on the second pick, we have exactly the same number of balls to pick from because we replaced the first ball. The total balls is still 5 plus Y. If we picked a red ball the first time, we still have 5 balls in the box as we replaced it, so the probability is 5 over 5 plus Y again. If we picked a red ball the first time, we still have Y yellow balls, so the probability is Y over 5 plus Y. If we picked a yellow ball the first time and a red ball the second time, the probability is 5 over 5 plus Y. And if we picked a yellow ball and then a yellow ball again, the probability is still Y over Y plus 5. The combinations of balls being picked are red, red, red then yellow, yellow then red, and then yellow then yellow. These are the calculations that need to be made if these probabilities were all required. But in the question, we were given the probability of removing 2 red balls as 1 over 9. We multiply the probabilities and make them equal to 1 over 9. We then multiply, getting rid of the fractions, rearrange and factorise, getting y equals minus 20 or y equals 10. We cannot have a negative number of balls, so y equals 10. Therefore, we have 10 yellow balls. In the beginning, we said we have 5 plus Y balls, so in total we have 15 balls.